Welcome jury members to FarmX. I'm Manan representing CORE, the Computing and Tech Club of TP Dwarka. For Geek-a-hertz, we have worked on this project called FarmX, the Farm Surveillance Drone. In this PPT, we are going to talk about the startup, methodology, competitive analysis, and marketing analysis. Last year, if you remember, India fought locust attack amid COVID-19 pandemic, which was covered worldwide. Let me talk about startup first of all. So basically, FarmX is a startup founded by three school students, which aims at solving different issues faced by farmers and ultimately solving uh, price inflation issues and other issues faced by the consumers. The objectives of the startup is to solve issues faced by all parts of the society, including farmers, poor people, and consumers. How it works? So basically, it's a drone. It's a drone system which has a lot of sensors and can go through a lot of fields at once. So basically, ground survey is done through drone, which is autonomous, of course, and then action is taken like infrasonic sounds are created to scare off insects. Then you can also monitor crop growth using the drone, and it will give you a detailed analysis using artificial intelligence based on diseases and growth development. This is one of the picture that was uh, taken last year. Methodology. So the FarmX drone is based on four principles: analysis, comparison, research, and data study. So how it works? Basically, the farmer gets drone from government, vendor, or NGO, which we'll talk about in few slides later. Then he uses the drone to image the field, and the drone, while on the way, emits infrasonic sounds. And then the same field imaging is done at night so that the farmers can know if there are some kind of animals which like kind of eat crops at night. And then AI analysis is done. Basically, artificial intelligence is used to compare ideal images and the current images, and then based on those images, a report is created on how crop is improving or growing. This is how the uh, control panel looks like. And now we'll talk about competitive analysis. So there are no major companies uh, in our competition. There's no company which is so technologically advanced. So, but there are certain companies which do subsoil analysis, which is basically taking out soils from fields and then analyzing it for fertility and different contents in it. However, the drone itself, when used with different kind of sensor, can do it. In addition to that, it can also sense the diseases by the crops. So, uh, it's like soil analysis is basically a limited version of what a drone can do. Marketing analysis. So, FarmX has two variants, as we talked before: the day variant and the night variant. And now, who will purchase? The government can purchase in countries like India, where the farmers can't afford it at all, or maybe some farmers can, like farmers in Punjab, Haryana, and northern sides can, but uh, the same in northeastern side can't do it. Then the farmers themselves can do, and their private organizations can also take it and lend it to farmers, and then NGOs can do it as well, and even you can do it if you want to. Now the cost estimation, we have come to 20,800 Indian rupees. However, it can be reduced further by reducing the cost of Raspberry Pi, and the drone kit can be also reduced by using a different model. The sensors can be reduced as well as per the needs, and the profit can also be reduced. So the schedule is like this month we will plan about idea. We'll start planning about idea. In March 2022, we'll have a ready prototype with us. By May 2022, we'll have the licensing done, and by July 22, we'll be ready to ship it. Over 570 million farmers will get direct benefit from this, apart from consumers. This is a website which I'll show you in a few minutes. Thank you. This is our website. It's pretty simple to kind of browse through. On the Learn More page, you'll get a, a page where you'll get to know about the team and more about the project. It contains all the details in very depth about the project. It also contains prototype image as well. Now, if you want to try the app, you can try it as well. I'll show you one. So there are different methods of how you can actually do it. The fly method is doing it directly. So basically, if the drone is over here, you click on fly and the drone will start flying and you can control it manually. Now this is mission mode. In mission mode, you can click on add mission and then you can set the speed to a little bit low so that imaging can be done better. At the end, it needs to return back to the base or the home. So let's say this is my farm and I want to go through it. So I'll go through different parts on it. And then now I have 9 waypoints through which the drone will pass. Maybe it could be field, or if I have a large land, then it can be different parts of the land as well. Now when I give it a name, the analysis, I can create this mission. When I save it, I'll also have a an option to start the mission as well. So the distance is 134 meter and then 9 waypoints. Using Google Cloud now I can analyze all the data gathered from it and it will generate an automatic report. That's it for the project. Thank you for having a look at our project.